Hello traders, Bank Nifty 1 minute chart, February 21st after 10 o'clock. It's a 10 a.m. market we can say. Today we have received a first buy call after 10 o'clock only. So green color candle, a green signal has been generated. A entry point, 2 target and 1 stop loss has been generated. It's an automatic process. On daily basis automatically it will analyze the market movement. It will provide calls in live market. Today we have received buy call at 40,761 range, and first target is a 100 point target, more than a 100 point target. Second target is 200 point target. Let me show you previous day call also. If you have already watched the previous day video, you will have some better idea. Just a glance we will show. Today a flat momentum and market started to move in downside up to 10 a.m. After 10 a.m. only we have received that buy call. Before buy call, this sell call has been happened yesterday after 10:15, after 1 hour of market movement. As you can see at 41,177, at that point we have received sell call. After 1 hour of that sell call momentum, market started to move in the downside market, and as you can see during that 11 o'clock market, the sell call break out the first target, and that bearish momentum continued up to today. As you can see, the second target has been breakout after 12 o'clock. So daily basis in live market, when market trend changes, you will receive calls in live market like this only. If you want to know about details, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. After 10 minutes of this buy call generator, market started to move in the bullish momentum. So it easily break out the first target range at 10:15 a.m. Like this only, buy call break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. Thank you.